This quick video is going to show how to use Google Slides as a way to make presentations and especially to collaborate on presentations. So first thing that you're going to want to do is go to sign in from the browser. You want to make sure that you sign in with your Northwest or NISD Google account. So for students, this is going to be firstname.lastname@nisdtx.org. No password, and then when you go to sign in, this is your firstname.lastname and then ID number. Once you're signed in, you can go ahead and click the Apps button and then go to Drive. If you haven't accessed your Drive before, this is a great place to go ahead and store Google Docs, forms, presentations, and even upload Microsoft documents. So you've got My Drive and then things people have shared with you. So you're going to actually want to go to New, and you can see your options here. There's even more. But you're going to create Google Slides. You're going to see that this format looks very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. You're going to choose a template or a theme that you can always go back and change later. I'm going to double click there. And then from here, you can go ahead and start creating slides. So insert images, links, video, word art. And then if you click slide, you can go to new slide, duplicate, and even delete slides. So there's a lot of options here for you to explore. One of the coolest things about Google Presentation is that you can share it with other students in your class so that you can all be working on it at one time from no matter where you are. So you're going to want to make sure that you give it a presentation title. So we'll just call this test for now. And then you can choose who you want to be able to edit. So if you have other students in your class that you want to be able to edit, you can actually put in their email address. So I'm going to choose Miss Berry. And then you're going to choose that they can edit. If you're just wanting feedback, you can choose that they can comment. It's going to notify them via email. Another option is to actually just get the shareable link and then just share this with whoever you want to work on this presentation with you. Okay. And then you would go ahead and send this. I actually won't send it for now. But then once they have the link, you can all be working on it at the same time. And this is the comments feature if you're looking at somebody else's presentation and you want to comment. A really neat way to add some depth to your presentation is actually to insert links, maybe for a Google form or from some research that you found. And you can actually insert these interactive links into your presentation, which is a really neat feature. And that way you can actually make your presentation interactive. So here's where you would actually present, and then remember to share your presentation with others. Then you will click here to share the link. So if I just want to have other people be able to see this, then it's going to be view, not edit. So just view, and then you can pull this up to do any kind of presentation that you want. Remember that it saves in your Google Drive. So if I go back to Slides Home, and actually I'm going to click the Apps button and just get into my Google Drive. Then the person that created the Google Slides will see this presentation in their drive. So we've got here, we called it test. I'll scroll down and we'll see test here. Yeah, so there it is. So this is a great place to save, and then those that had it shared with them, that will actually be shared in the incoming drive. So have fun using Google Presentations.